Cooking with kush, no need to push, no rush to cook, we just burning a bush. Cooking with kush, ayy, catch a vibe. Cooking with kush, ayy, stay high. Cooking with kush, no need to push, no rush to cook, we just burning a bush. Cooking with kush, ayy, stay high. Cooking with kush, ayy, catch a vibe.
Hi everybody, and we're back with another Christmas treat, of course, infuse. Again, we are cooking with kush. I'm Davon. This is my daughter Tati.
Hey.
She's home for the holidays, so she's helping me cook. And we have some company coming over, so we're making all these cute infused dishes, desserts. Well, morning treats, desserts, wake and bake, after dinner, whatever. They're delicious. So, now we're making banana nut bread. Pam's favorite. So let's get started. In this recipe, we'll be having these ingredients. So we have some mashed bananas, 2 tablespoons of cannabis infused sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of cannabis infused oil. Now you know I infuse my oils in my butter, 1/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 pinch of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, lots of walnuts that we chopped up. You can use as much as you want. This recipe is super easy. The ingredients are super easy to find. We have these small mini loaf pans that are already oiled up. A can of oil, just to add a little bit more infusion. So let's pour it, and we're only going to pour it into about right here, so we can have room in it. So, we scooped it in. It looks nice and pretty in our loaf. We're about to put it in the air fryer for 320 degrees for 35 minutes. And we'll be back. So, we took our banana nut bread out. We can't wait to eat it. Smells good. I want you to try this at home, definitely. It's going to be a winner this holidays. So until next time, as we always say, stay lifted and peace.
Cooking with kush, no need to push, no rush to cook, we just burning a bush. Cooking with kush, ayy, catch a vibe.